from Music Group, and we're excited to be here at Prolight and Sound 2015. If you're around, drop by. We're in Hall 8, M86, and you'll be able to see on our stand all the latest from Behringer, Bulgara amplifiers, Turbo Sound. We've got the new Inspire series. That's the first time you're seeing it here in Europe. The IX series, the Bluetooth control for the stereo pairs, new for Europe as well. Midas, Clark Technic. So please drop on by and see us. Thank you for watching Music Group TV.